Hello all, myself Nikita Madhehambade from BSc third year. My seminar topic is Electronic Interpretation of Complex or Coordinate Compound or Civic Theory of Coordination. This seminar is organized by Department of Chemistry, late Pushpadevi Patil Arts and Science College, Risod in collaboration with Octa. Seminar topic is divided into 6 points. First one, introduction. Second one, Civic theory of and EN rule. Third one, formula of EN. Fourth one, example. Fifth one, table of some complex with EN number. Sixth one, drawbacks of Civic theory. Let's discuss about introduction. Civic theory. Civic theory is also called as electronic interpretation of complex or coordinate compound. To modify the Werner theory of coordination compound, Civic developed the electronic structure of element in 1923. According to Werner, metal atom possesses two valency, primary valency and secondary valency. Primary valency are formed by electron pair sharing and secondary valency are formed by transfer of electron pair. According to Sidgwick, ligands should have at least one unshared pair of electrons in their structure for donation to the central metal in the bond formation. So, the atom donating electron pair is called donor or ligand. The metal atom or ion accepting electron pair is the acceptor and central metal ion. These bonds are called as semipolar bond or coordinate bond or dative bond. This bond is represented by arrow. This arrowhead are represent toward the acceptor and tail is toward the donor atom. If the bond is formed by electron pair sharing both atoms is called covalent bond, and in the coordinate covalent bond only one atom sharing the both electron is called coordinate covalent bond. In their structure, hexaamine cobalt, the central metal atom is cobalt. Hence, the cobalt accepts 12 electrons from 6 ammonia molecules. In their structure, the arrowhead is representing central metal atom and arrow tail is representing ligand ion. Sidgwick theory and EN rule. According to Sidgwick, central metal atom accept the electron till the total number of electron in the metal atom is equal to next higher inert or noble gas. This total number of electron is called effective atomic number. The formula of EAN is equal to Z minus N plus 2 into Cn. So Z is the atomic number of metal, N is the oxidation state of CMI, and Cn is the coordination number of CMI, and 2 is the electron involved in the bond formation. Some example to calculate the EAN. First example, hexaamine cobalt. Because 6 ammonia molecule is surrounded by the central metal atom means cobalt. The cobalt is the atomic number of cobalt 27, and the oxidation state of this complex compound is plus 3. To calculate the total number of electron in cobalt is equal to 27 minus 3 is equal to 24. Hence, each ammonia group donate the 2 electron to cobalt atom. Each ammonia group donate the 2 electron to cobalt atom. Hence, 6 ammonia donate the 12 electron to cobalt. Hence, 6 into 2 is equal to 12. To calculate the EN of cobalt complex is equal to 24 plus 12 is equal to 36. 36 is the atomic number of krypton. Hence, this EN is equal to noble gas. Hence, this complex is the stable complex. Whose the EN is the same as the atomic number of next higher inert gas are the stable. Hence, this complex is the stable because this EN value is equal to next higher inert gas. Second example, tetracarbonyl nickel. In this example, nickel is the central metal atom. So, nickel is the atomic number of nickel 28 and oxidation state is 0 because this complex is a neutral complex. So, coordination number is 8 because 4 bond is formed. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So, 28 plus 8 is equal to 36. 36 is the atomic number of krypton. Hence, this EN is equal to noble gas. Corresponding to noble gas, this complex is the stable complex. But there is the several complex in the EN rule is not obey and are said to be unstable. Hence, this example, hexacyanoferric 3 ion. In this complex, iron is the central metal atom and Cn is the ligand. Hence, the iron atomic state is the 26 and oxidation state is the 3. So, and CN number means coordination number is the 12. Hence, the 26 minus 3 plus 2 into 6 is equal to 35. But 35 is not any atomic. 35 is not any atomic number of in noble gas. Hence, this complex is unstable. In their table some example and their EN number. Hence, in this table, the red line giving the example is the stable complexes and black line is giving the stable is the unstable complexes. Drawbacks of Silvik theory. This Silvik theory it cannot be explained the stability of complex compound without achieving inner gas configuration, and is also to fail the explain the direction nature of coordinate bond. Thank you.